Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are seeing ads while watching on Prime Video, you can control how ads are personalized and in some cases reduce or remove them depending on your plan. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to manage ad preferences on Prime Video in 2026, simple and clear. Okay, so you have to know that ads may appear on certain plans or free content. You can control personalization, not always remove ads. Settings are linked to your Amazon account. So control ads, the opposite of eliminates ads. Okay, so unless ad-free plan. Okay, so first thing, open account settings. So go to Prime Video. It's recommended to sign in into the website. Okay, click profile. Okay, here go to settings. Access your account's dashboard. So go to ad preferences, like navigate to privacy and advertising preferences. It opens ad settings. Okay. Manage personalized ads, like find interest based ads. Okay, toggle off and toggle on and off the toggle. So off means less personalized ads and on means ads based on your activity. So it doesn't remove ads, only changes targeting. Okay, so adjust Amazon ad settings, like visit Amazon ad preferences page. Okay, update your interest and refines what ads you see. Okay, so upgrade to ad free if available. So choose ad free subscription option. So it removes most ads, expect some live content. Okay, manage freebie ads, like freebie content always includes ads, it cannot disable them. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.